Hey guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Nengi finally reveals why she was in the shower with Ozo. Big Brother Naija housemate Nengi and Ozo had a meeting in the shower, and this was revealed by fellow housemate Neil, who informed Eric about seeing Nengi join Ozo, who was already in the shower. While many believe the two housemates had met each other in the shower for obvious reasons, Nengi wants Nigerians squash that notion. According to Nengi, in a conversation with Praise, there was an issue she needed to discuss with Ozo where the shower provided the most suitable place for the discussion. She said, Ozo was not fully dressed, but not naked though. I wanted to have a conversation with him about something, and definitely had to be in the shower. Okay guys, I think very soon we'll know what's going on between Nengi and Ozo. Okay guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Please, if this is your first time of viewing, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.